Okay guys, we got our 2021 Sportster. It's got 7,400 miles on it. I put on the cool babbity pipes and the cool copper plated and recessed tank. If you wanted to have that done, you're looking at $2 grand plus. So good tires, like I said, it's only 7,400 original miles. We'll put on the cool little T-bars and raise the speedo. And in the last video I made, it was missing the caps and the turn signal, so my guy didn't have them, and for some reason the front turn signal is not working. So we gotta go back and fix that. Let's see here. There we go. Gotta turn both sides. That right. That left. Horn. High low beam. Front brake light. Rear brake light. Obviously it runs really good because it's a brand new motorcycle. For those who don't know, 22 is the last year Harley-Davidson made a Sportster. This is a 21, so second to last year. You can't get them anymore from Harley, and they were 20,000 plus new without any extras. This is basically a brand new bike. Take care of it, it'll last you your lifetime. It is a cool custom recessed gas cap, which is real easy. You just press down and twist. Come on. Using the wrong hand here, I guess. And then you unscrew it. If you don't screw it on tight, gas cap undoes itself. Well, that's the basic idea. I put it on too tight. Then you twist it back down like that. Almost lost this cap by not doing it real tight. So you want to do it real tight. If you can't do it because you've got weak hands, I would put a different cap on it. But anyhow, you either like or don't like that little mural right there. Got your cool Harley bag on the side. It is registered in my name through April of 26. It's currently on a non-op. There's no late fees. So anyhow, let me test it up and down here. And as you just saw, goes into neutral, you see? I've had this bike on the freeway doing 70. Everything works. Clutch is good. Training's good. Runs awesome. I do have a cool little air cleaner for it. I haven't put on yet. Give it a stock air cleaner, which people like that, people like this, whichever. But this bike is ready to go around the world. So we'll see you all in the next video.